Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying to make the new hype house, or if you didn't know, the former Clout House in Minecraft. Since it's the former Clout House, there have been a lot of tutorials already made on how to make this in Minecraft. So to make this video a little different, I'm trying to make the bluish look it has, so how the house looks at night. It has a ton of blue LEDs and looks really cool, so I'm going to be trying to build that. So if you're looking to build the new hype house, or you just want to get a cool modern mansion in Minecraft, I hope this tutorial helps you. I started by making 2 blocks of quartz with a 12 by 5 rectangle of polished blackstone, 2 blocks of quartz again, and then built that up and filled it in to make the garage. Now there's a little bit of an overhang on the garage, so if you want to do that, just add some of these iron trapdoors and then add levers in the back so they're all flipped the right way. But if you just want to keep it simple, that's of course fine too, or if you want to do something different with the garage, that's also okay. Alternatively, you can use stone or whatever you want for the garage. Then make a rectangle going 4 out, including the wall where the garage starts from the garage. I use quartz slabs, but if you want it to be thicker, do what you want. And then I took some polished blackstone and made a rim around it, and then added some gray panes. Do whatever color you want for the panes. You can also use clear or blue, and that would also look really pretty. So then I added quartz on one side and then did 3 glass panes, 1 quartz, 3 glass, blackstone, or actually I used black concrete, but again you can use whatever you want, then 3 panes, and then just continued that pattern. After you finish the single side, you're going to repeat that twice more, except for on the top. You're going to want to add a little bit more overhang on the quartz so it just is a little bigger on the top. After that, you're going to make another rectangle. The measurements are on the screen, and then in the middle block of that rectangle without the front that goes back, you're going to put the concrete or whatever you want and then fill that in with panes. You can also use, if you want a thinner line, which I'm doing in the corners, is the blackstone fence or blackstone wall. So you can also do that and replace what I use, black concrete, if you want your lines to be a little thinner, but since I wanted contrast, I did some thin lines, some thick lines. Repeat what we did on the left, on the right side, and then fill in the bottom with stone. If you're having trouble filling in the panes like I am, because it's a small surface you have to tap onto, I like to build the outline so I can tap on the bottom and then the sides, and then I only have to fill a few in the middle. Now that it's really starting to come together, I'm going to work on the side of the house. So since it's kind of going at an angle, you can of course make it going straight back if you'd like, but since in the picture it's on an angle, I kind of made a diagonal. Now here I did it at the exact same level as the balcony, but you're going to want to move it down because I actually had to move it down one again, so I just did everything that I did with the other sides of the house, but I ended up moving it down one and made it on a diagonal. The next thing I did is my favorite part, the landscaping. So there's a little wall over in the front of the house with plants in front of it, so I just made that out of stone and made out a driveway. I also put a little fountain here, and you can of course put a ton of plants and trees and whatever you want. Lastly, you're going to decorate it with sea lanterns, the soul lanterns, the soul torches, literally anything you like. I thought this video was perfect because it's not old anymore, but the most recent Pocket Edition update had all the blue fires, so I thought it looked really cool. This is just going to be part 1. I know this is a short video, but it took a really long time to make because I am one of those people who have trouble with the glass panes. So next week I'm coming out with the part 2 where I'm going to finish the entire house, including the landscaping and the pool in the back. So make sure you stay tuned from that, and I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you'll tune in next week for part 2 to this video.